verb, object. What are types of objects? So every sentence, almost every sentence in English have a subject which does something. On whom it does is object, and what it does, the work, the action, is verb. So in a sentence, there are two types of objects: direct object and an indirect object. So the objects here, these are direct objects because subject is doing some work on object. Objects are being directly worked upon by the subject. So we have a direct object here because the subject is directly working on this object. The dog is chasing the cat. So dog is chasing, dog is subject, and chasing the cat. Cat is the object. So the cat is being chased directly by the dog. So here it is direct object. But there are certain indirect object also. Indirect object, they are answering question to or for who. Let us take an example. She bought a bicycle for her son. Now it's very clear in this sentence, bought is a verb. So we are interested in subject and object. So verb is clearly bought. She purchased. Now who does? She. She is a subject. And what did she buy? Bicycle. Bicycle. But the question is for whom? For whom? So this is an indirect object. For her son is an indirect object. Okay? There are certain sentences there will be direct object, but there are certain sentences where you are going to get direct object also and indirect object also. So I'll show you two of them where we have direct objects, two of them where we have indirect object. So when we ask question with a verb, what? Then we have the direct object. When we have the verb and we ask a question by whom, to whom, it's indirect object. For example, Ravi repaired his car. Repaired is simply a verb. Now verb plus what? Ravi repaired what? Ravi repaired what? The answer is car. So car is a direct object. Along with verb, just add what? For example, the children played football. So if I ask a question, the children played what? They played what? They played football. So when they played football, football is a direct object. Okay? Played is a verb. Now if I add played what? What is football? Football is a direct object. Now I'll take example of indirect object. Now listen carefully. The parents sent him a postcard. Now parent sent. Sent is a verb. Okay. What they sent is postcard. So postcard is a direct object. Now if we ask with verb, by whom or to whom? The parent sent whom the postcard? To whom? The answer is him. So him becomes the indirect object. If you add verb, what with verb, it will give you direct object. If you add verb with the question by whom or to whom, that is going to give you indirect object. Okay. Let us take one more example here. He bought his daughter a computer. He is clearly a subject. Bought is clearly a verb. Now, he bought what? So he bought computer. So computer is a direct object. But he bought computer for whom? For daughter. By whom or to whom? For daughter. So daughter is indirect object here. So this is how the types of objects are there in the sentences.